Hello my friends, it is another day here at King's Dominion, and this time we're here to check out the entirety of Grand Carnivale. That means all the shows, the parade, retrospect, what's the drumming show, Pulse of Carnivale, all that stuff. I am going to be taking photos and videos, and I invite you to come along on this day of food, music, dancing, and the whole nine here at King's Dominion.
Oh, now great time to get to work! Unlike anything you've seen before, right here at King's Dominion!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, debutantes and noble visitors from kingdoms near and far, welcome to Grand Carnivale here at King's Dominion!
We have one rule, and that is to have fun!
Tonight, you will be immersed in the sights, the sounds, and the taste of celebrations from all over the world.
From enchanting India
To romantic France,
from mystical China
to captivating Italy and the explosive American Mardi Gras!
Are you ready for a multicultural celebration unlike anything you've ever seen before? Then join me as
Join us!
Us! Yes! Join us as we count down to the official opening of Grand Carnivale! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Grand
Holy smokes, being out in the sun like that for even just a half hour straight was rough. I know it's really dark, I'm backlit, but I had to hide in the shade. In about 10 minutes, retrospect is up, and that's another one where I have another friend, but shouts to all the guys who are in Pulse of Carnivale. That was amazing. I saw a couple times like some dropped sticks and stuff, and I can't imagine how sweaty their hands must be on a day like today. Like, I'm glowing and glistening right now. I can't imagine performing right now. Whew. Gotta be rough. Anyway, they're gonna be up again later, and I'll probably try to get a little bit more video of them, but maybe not, I don't know. I'll probably have compiled everything that I've gotten for them previously in the segment that just happened, and then with retrospect it'll kind of be the same thing. I'm kind of trying to do photo and video at the same time, and the shows happen like 2 or 3 times, so I have some opportunity to do both. And then a lot of people ask me about the double glasses. Honestly, the transitions, I tried them and it didn't work for me. Trying to estimate a gauge exposure because they wouldn't lighten when I would put my face up to the viewfinder of my camera, and that would mean that I would have to just take off the glasses entirely, and that just didn't work. Anyway, just if you wanted that and were wondering why I constantly do this.
Turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright. Okay, alright. It's about that time. All over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute to your heart. Bang, bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it. Bang, bang, sweet as my heart. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute to your let's hear it. Hey! Yes, yes. Woo! We got
Oh, there's like a dance circle now, post-retrospect, which was a really good show, by the way. I don't know what's happening. But the vibes are nice. I think I'm basically waiting for the next drum show. So I'm going to go find some shade or air conditioning, actually. Energy is good, right? What you doing? You look like you got some moves. I don't know how many moves you got. Oh! Whoa!
Wow, he is so tall, everybody. You see this? This is awesome. Oh, he got moves, he got tricks.
I heard you were telling jokes.
I was telling dad jokes.
Do you have any more lined up?
Did you hear? I think I only had 2 lined up, and I've already
All right,
delivered.
can I hear the first one? I missed the first
You
one.
missed the first one? Okay.
Yeah.
When is a door not a door?
I don't know when.
When it's a jar.
Boo! I love it. I love it. All right, I need to go find some shade and AC, then we'll be back for the next show. Oh my gosh. That was a lot in the sun with no breaks, but I finally got a chance to eat something after. So in addition to this, if you see my other video where I did Let's Get Wild, yesterday the 7:30 show was canceled because of the rain that came in, so I only got to see it twice. I needed to make that up for, contract obligations to cover the show properly. music is so loud. Anyway, I always happen to like sit down next to a speaker or something. Anyway, I picked up the sauerbraten sliders here, which I'm really excited about. This is probably the one thing on this whole menu. I think each booth had only like 3 or 4 items, so this one jumped out at me. I need a snack to hold me over. I'll probably grab something after we're all done, but right after this, I have to prepare for the parade. All right, that was 9 out of 10. I think I was really hungry too, and that just helped it like taste even better. The only thing that could have made it better if there was one more on that plate. But anyway, one thing that I forgot to mention was my shooting strategy. I'm still trying to get used to this new format where I'm kind of working at the same time I'm vlogging and experiencing the park. And so with a show like that where we were so far set back, I knew my 24-70 wasn't going to cut it for everything, but I still needed to be able to be wide. One thought that occurred to me was maybe I should get like a 24-105 that Panasonic makes for my camera, and it would be kind of a special use thing. It only is a f4 though, and that might not be good for all occasions. The other thing is, because there was a lot of people set up beside me, I knew that I could, we were staying stationary. So what I did end up doing is using a combination of my 24-70 and then having my telephoto lens, the 70-300, stripped down on my foam holder thing on the ground. So once I saw kind of the pace of the songs, I would swap in and out. You want to be wide when a lot is happening so you can get as much in the frame as possible, but there's other times where you want to zoom in, right? So I've worked it out to where I'm basically alternating each song, and then when I see the performance again, I'll reverse that, and it usually works out pretty well. The other thing that I was thinking is, well, I could do one, that whole way with one lens and then another one with a specific lens. However, there's some moments where everybody is right up front. What am I going to do with the telephoto? Just sit there and wait? And the same thing, sometimes they're all stacked in the back. What am I going to do? So I found it beneficial to be able to have the flexibility to switch back and forth and have another lens kind of on deck constantly and just swapping. Cotton Eye Joe is playing again, and it is almost time now to prepare for the parade. All right, here we are. It's time for the parade. Time to set up. Get ready. So here I am. You got an idea of where I am. The only reason I'm here is because there's a light tree right behind me, that big brick going all the way up. That's what's going to help me. Hopefully these turn on, and I don't know about the background getting turned off. I feel like they do that, but we're going to find out. Anyway, there's like a little bend where everything is going to kind of straighten out, so I'm hoping that works for me, where there's like a reveal of the next float. And so the photos should be a little bit straightforward. The thing that I'm not sure about is like video, where my plan is to let the whole thing go by. I know it's not going to stop here. There is a stop that will allow me to catch up by the pizza place in the swings. So what I'm going to do is let it go by here and then head on up towards that area where I know they're going to stop and be able to resume again, get ahead of the parade, and then take nothing but video. So nothing but photo at this little nook, run ahead, and nothing but video. So that's the video that you're going to be able to see. So yeah, that's the plan. Fingers crossed. Got about 5 minutes, and we're going to make it happen, ready or not.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, it was nice to wave, get some photos and videos, which eventually I will share with you, King.
Awesome.
But I had to thank you personally for
some videos that we can look back fondly on.
Yes,